Para sa mga magulang na kagaya ko, bakit nga ba importante ang pagkakaroon ng oras sa ating mga anak? Ano yung epekto nito sa growth, development, at overall well-being nila? Bonding and relationship building. Spending time with our kids helps to strengthen the bond and connection between us. Ito ay nagbibigay ng pagkakataon upang magkaroon ng malalim na koneksyon at tiwala sa isa't isa. Di ba ang ganda na sa atin muna sila close bago sa iba? Emotional development. Quality time with your kids provides a nurturing environment for emotional development. Nagkakaroon sila ng pagkakataong express yung emotion at feelings nila if you are actively listening and engaging with them. Language and communication skills. Regular interaction and conversation during shared activities contribute to the development of your children's language and communication skills. May enhance yung kanilang vocabulary, listening skills, and ability to express themselves. Positive behavior and values. Spending time with your kids allows you to model positive behavior and instill important values. Tandaan, kung ano yung nakikita ng mga bata, di ba? Yun yung madalas nilang ginagaya. Kaya, palagi tayo maging aware dyan. Skill development and learning. Quality time provides opportunities for your children to learn new skills, explore interest, and develop their talents. Diba ang saya kapag may natutuklasan tayong mga talent nila? Building memories. Time spent with your kid creates cherished memories that they will carry with them throughout their lives. Sabi nga, diba, sa huli, mas